Hello everyone, how are you? I am Arvind and you are watching Arvind's e-classes. So once again I have come here to talk about something interesting. So one thing, last time we discussed about topology. If you haven't seen it, this video I will give link there. You watch it. And today what we are going to discuss. So before starting today's topic, you tell me, have you heard .com, .in, .org? Whenever we write any website address, at last we always write like your blog, Arvind's eclass.in. Actually, what is the in? So if you know, write on a comment box. And today we will discuss these things. So actually, what is these things? .com, .in, .org. Actually, these are called domain name. So today we will talk about domain name. So let me discuss about domain name. Actually, what is a domain name? You know, when we talk about internet is a wide network. Even we call it wide area network. There are millions or billions of computers are connecting with it. And to access a particular computer on the internet, we need some addressing system. So to fetch a particular computer on the internet, scientists discovered one technique. So that technique was called domain name. Actually, on the internet, each computer has two things. First one is IP address, second one is a domain name. So let me see what is IP address and domain name. Let me discuss IP address. It is also called Internet Protocol. This is a 32 bits one number system, and these numbers define the machine address on the internet. So if we have a number series of a 32 number, it is a very difficult to remember. That's why these numbers are divided into 8 parts in a 4 classes, and these 4 classes defined your net address, then subnet address, then computer address. For example, let me take a postal address of someone. So if you want to send a address of your friend, how you will write? First of all, you will write your country name. Second, you will write state name. Next, you will write district name, and next you will write at last their town name. So see, these are divided into A, B, C and D classes. So this way we have defined Internet Protocol. Let me talk about domain name. You know, when we talk about domain name, there are two things that every computer have on internet. First one is IP address that we just now discussed, and second one is a domain name. Taken in this way, like you have your school name that everyone calls you at your school, and second one is your nickname that everyone calls you at home. In the same way, what happens on the internet, we have one computer. This computer's IP address is used by all the computers, and your domain name is used by users, by us. Actually, you know what happens, if you want to remember their IP address, it's very difficult. You want to, so how we will remember any name like a 1101110. So in place of that, it is very easy to remember any website's name. So that's why we use domain name. When we talk about domain name, there are different type of a domain. These are divided according to their categories. For example, we have a .com for commercial uses, .org for organization, .edu for educational purpose, .gov for government uses. And one more thing, for country purpose, we also have a domain name like .in for India, and .ca for Canada, .us for USA, .uk for United Kingdom. But for IP address, they are same everywhere. And on a wide area network, mean to say internet, we have a same IP address, not like a domain name which are different according to their field. There is one more thing, domain name system. We also call it DNS. What is the use of a DNS? For example, on the internet you are searching particular website with its name, like a www.arvindseclass.in. So you remember this name, it is a domain name. But inside this computer, this has an IP address. So who will tell that this domain name has this IP address? So there was a need of one electronic directory, like we have a phone directory where we have a lot of phone numbers, and other side that owner's name. Same way, student, there is a domain name system. It is not any computer, actually it is a software that tells you that domain name belongs to which machine. So that's why we use domain name system. Yeah, we just now discussed domain name, IP address, and a domain name system. And one more thing, when we write any website complete address like a www.youtube.com, so this is a URL, unique resource locator. So how was this video? Write on a comment box, I will read and reply it. And in a last video I read your comment, and those have motivated me to make more videos. If you want to know about what is a computer network and different devices used in a computer network, go to description, there I will leave link for those videos as well. And I recommend you go to blog, and that is arvindseclass.in, because in a 10 minutes video it's not possible to explain all topics in a detail. So you go to this blog and you will get all the topics in detail. So next time I will come with a new video. Till then, bye bye.